Going looking for ice. Nope. Found some in there. Ryan's found some ice. How's Casey doing? What's Casey doing? Is that a picture? Gonna eat beans. Yeah.
I was right posing, trying to get you.
Found some ice from yesterday.
Good.
No, we're going to play football. Just cleaning up a bit. No. No. Keep the guitar out. I thought he had a keyboard out.
Bring that back here. I'm gonna play.
What?
Bring that back here. Bring that back here.
Yeah.
We're playing a song. What kind of song you want to play?
Sexy Danielle. Doing the dishes.
Yeah.
See what they're up to out there?
No. Don't know.
They got a keyboard and a guitar.
Oh yeah? Awesome. Okay, that one little spill didn't mean that this whole thing had to fucking go down.
No. Say something.
Like what, are you cleaning dishes, maybe?
Yeah. Huh?
I'm cleaning up this fucking kitchen. Is
What, you got OCD or what?
No, I've just never seen this kitchen like this before. I actually don't
It's only been 6 hours.
I've never come here and ever seen her kitchen look so disgusting. I mean, it's just because she's been having some drinks for a while. And,
We've been working on a roof for a couple days.
right, yeah. So I'm gonna pour dishes first. I'll love you in the morning.
Huh? Oh,
Murder?
Murder.
Murder?
Real change in my pocket. Just trying to get in this.
What should we mix with these?
Well,
7 Up? Yeah, we can call it.
Well done. I've never came into your kitchen like this before. I was like, oh my god, she's gonna cry in the morning, and then she'll be really cranky. And I'm just gonna do her dishes really quick because I have to be here in the morning. I know, you would have woken up and you would have felt hungover and overwhelmed.
Can't believe that.
Yes, I
Should I
know.
shoot that shit? All of it?
No.
So that's
I know you do.
Danielle.
Yeah?
Dean, you like me bend over like this?
Is this what you want?
That's like 2-day-old ice.
Okay, no, we're going to the store to get ice. I'd like to
Why?
make a good drink.
Take care, bye.
We got ice.
No, where? Why are you giving me 2-day-old ice then?